Artificial intelligence, AI for short, has been gaining pace quickly over the last few years. Of recent, there have been a lot of portrait artworks generated through AI. Perhaps picture speaks 1,000 words, but you'd only need a few words to create a magnificent artwork with PicSo AI. Hey guys, Justice Hart here. In this video, I'll show you how to convert text to images using PicSo AI art generator. So the first thing we are going to do is to head over to picso.ai. You're going to have to log in or sign up if you don't already have an account. So I'm just going to create an account with Google for myself. Then you're going to enter a description of what you want. For me, I just want to get a portrait of Messi. Argentina recently won the FIFA World Cup. Next thing you're going to do is to select the art style you are going for. Then select the image number, although you can only do one except you are paying for it. Once you click on create, PicSo AI is going to generate an image based on the information that you prompted. Click on save to download the result.
12 seconds later.
Click on the downloaded file to locate your image. You can also generate more image based only on this particular prompt. If you would rather use another prompt, it's either you come back tomorrow or pay for some pro benefits. If you found this video to be helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.